Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. That means your phones, your laptop gadgets, even your microwaves, everything that has to do with tech, I take you through. If you subscribe, thank you very much for your subscription. If not, kindly take a second, hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's dive right into today's video. Now, recently, I posted a video on how you can generate tons of videos for free using Veo. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to deactivate a part of it that doesn't make you be charged going forward. All right. If you don't understand what I mean, go into the corner there and you should be able to find a pop-up that will take you to the original video. And then we continue here. Continuing, let's go into my screen. I'm going to recap a bit on what we did last time, and then after that we can proceed. All right, so onto my screen. So a quick recap: we understood that you're going to go into Google, type Veo, and once Veo is open, you're going to go to Google DeepMinds, click on that, and then you get two options. First one is try in Gemini and the second one is try in Flow. So you select one of them and go into it. Try in Flow is going to give you about 100 videos generated using either of the Veos, but specifically Veo 2 would be charging you 10 AI points. So if you get 1,000 points, you're able to generate 100 videos. And then if you use Gemini, you're going to get 3 videos per day. So for 30 days, that's going to give you 90 videos. All right, so try and flow, and then we click on create the flow. Now, as you see here, in this example, there's no nothing logged in. So I'm going to log in quickly. All right, so I'm in here and then I'm going to scroll through this just like we said before, click on continue, and then we're in. But note here that this is just without a pro. And then to get the pro, we click on that, and then we're already greeted with the 100 AI credits. We click on upgrade, and once we're in upgrade, we get the option to get Google AI Pro. You click on that, you agree to the terms and conditions. It's going to tell you how much it's going to charge you for the very first one. First and foremost, so once we've done that, it's asking us if we want to redeem a code or want to add a card. Then you're going to proceed to add the card that you want to use for the trial payment. All right, so we see here after inputting, we're going to get the option to start for free, and then at a certain period, we're going to get charged. Now, this is the important part. We're going to hit subscribe, and then if the subscription goes through, we're going to be charged about, yeah, so we got subscribed, and then on that note, you're going to see here, go to flow. Now, the very important thing here is we have a pro status here. That is going to yield 1,000 AI points. Please note, at this point, you're still going to get charged at the end of the month. To avoid getting charged at the end of the month for this service, you want to click on and then scroll all the way down. You're going to see here, there's cancel membership. You're going to click on cancel membership, then click on cancel, then cancel membership. It's going to go into Play Store. You're going to manage that, and then you're going to cancel subscription. The reason, you can put any reason. I decline to enter, then I proceed to click and continue. Then I cancel my subscription. Now, note the subscription has been canceled, but if we go back into Flow and refresh even, we're still going to have the pro status, and we're still going to get the 1,000 AI points. If you do it like this, if you get the pro status by inputting your details and everything, card details and everything, and then you get your 1,000 AI points, go back, take it out. That's the superb thing to do. You get the AI, the 1,000 points, but you still get to keep all your money. So this is an important part of it. Let's see if it's working here then. So we're going to click on this and then generate a part of a new product launching that I'm trying to do. Note, we can click on this. If we want high quality, we click on this quality. That's going to take us 100 points out of 1,000 points. So we click on this and then we generate. In this case, I selected 2. So we're going to get two going being generated at the same time. All right, so we have one here.
One bag,
one
grip,
one grip,
everything you need to train harder and live smoother.
Go to the link in the description to grab your copy today.
This is another one.
One bag,
one
grip,
grip,
everything you need to train harder and live smoother. Go to the link in the description to grab your copy today.
All right, so there we have it. We're still able to generate for 2 videos. That's 100 AI credits each. We generated the videos. Membership has been cancelled, but we still are able to do that. All right, so I hope that you just figured out how to get those hundreds of videos for free. You can open new accounts and still be able to generate more, and then in effect have as many videos generated as possible. All right, thank you all for watching. So I hope this video is beneficial to you. If there's any video or any idea, any tech related content, any software related content you want me to help you deal with or explain, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do that. So until later, if you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell icon, share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Until later, it's peace out.